How to submit a support ticket on Roblox. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to submit a support ticket on Roblox. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Roblox on your web browser. So I already have my browser open here and my Roblox open. I've already logged in as well. Then if you haven't already, you need to turn on desktop site. You can do that by going over to the top right and then tap on desktop site. Even if you don't turn it on, what you need to do is basically find the help section on Roblox, tap on the three dots at the top left, and then from here you can find the help section. If you don't see it, go over to settings and then tap on help and safety. From here, you want to tap on help center, and then you can just go ahead and scroll down, select any option, and right at the very bottom you can find contact us button. Tap on contact us, and now you can easily fill out your support form. So you can enter your username, your first name, email that's connected to your account, what type of device you're using. So I'll do PC for now. Help category, let's say if it's related to billing and payment. You can select a subcategory and you can briefly describe what problem you're facing. Tap on continue and you're good to go. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.